Hello beautiful girls and boys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I put my clip-in extensions, and we have some new extensions from Fullshine hair. They're human hair extensions and I just got the box. I already looked inside so I know what it is inside. I have 18 inches extensions and this is how they look. This is how long they are. So they will be, the first one is going to go obviously on the bottom, so it's going to be longer, but basically it's my length. And they also, when you order, they also send you 2 extra clips in case yours fall or they get damaged. This is amazing because in case you want to keep your extension longer and you are taking care of them really well, this is going to help you a lot to like just sew them in really quick. And before I start putting them in and show you guys, I just want to show you like how seamless this part is with, it's really flat and it's going to go to my head really flat, where usually old extensions are really thick. You can feel them, you can see them really easy, but these ones are going to be amazing. So I'm going to start with this, actually the 3 clips, and I'm going to put it on the back. So I'm going to show you, we're going to turn to that and I'll just show you step by step, and let's see the final process. Okay, so this is my first section right here, and since this area is a little bit thinner, I'm gonna go ahead and tease it. I already added a little bit of hairspray. There's also some dry shampoo that is gonna hold it really well. For the rest of the hair, I really have normal hair, not very thick, not very thin, so I'm not gonna be teasing, but this part I'm a little bit more concerned, so I will. And then I'm just gonna go in and clip them. I do the sides first and then the one in the middle, and you can see how easily and nice it goes flat on my head. There's not like a bump over here that it's gonna give me more volume or anything like that. And we're just gonna continue same thing. I'm gonna do another section over here and you can see, but I'm gonna go really quick and show you guys, and then we'll get to the end part. Alright, so we're done with the back part. We did 2 rows of 3 clips and then 1 row of 4 clips. There is an extra 4 clip, which I love because sometimes if you have more hair, it's just nicely you can add another row, or if you do your hair for an event, it's really nice to have an extra row of hair. But I'm going to use just 3 on here, and then we're going to get to the front part. Here we're going to use the 2 clip-ins and then 1 that we're going to do like right in the front. So I usually just take this back part so I can see like how long it is and where I'm going to place this so it kind of blends. So this is where I'm going to place this one, maybe even a little bit higher. And now for the one that is just one clip right here, I want, since I really don't have a lot of hair right here, you can see it, I really like to place it somewhere that I can add more. Just feels that I have more hair. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And again, this area could be a little bit fine hair, so if you want to tease it a little bit, you can. I'm actually going to go ahead and tease it. Add a little bit of hairspray so it holds, and then just put it in. There you go. if you're going to put your hair back, and you can see already, like, I can put it behind my ear, it's all fine. But if you're going to do a ponytail, just be careful on the placement and just turn the clip this way or this way if you want it to go back. So just that, a little tip for you. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Here we go. I already feel like I have so much hair. I would even cut this just to have it my length, and I would love to just feel that I have more hair in case I'm gonna curl it or I'm gonna take some pictures. It's just gonna look amazing. But what I'm gonna do to blend all of this, I'm just gonna curl this part, the end part, really quick and get back to you guys, and you can see it's gonna blend really nicely. Okay, I'm back. I just curled this area. You can see it's really seamless, nothing much, but just so when I take it in the front or take it back, it looks nicely and blended. I love it. It feels like I have a lot of hair, and it doesn't feel like it pulls my hair or anything like that. That's why I like it so much, and it blends so nicely with my hair color, so you're not even able to tell that, like, this is the extension and this is my hair. So yeah, I love it so much. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description so you guys can see the extensions, where they're sold, and all the information. But yeah, that was my review. That was how I apply my clip-in extensions really quick. Takes probably about 20 minutes. What I love about these ones from Fullshine is that they're human hair. You can take them with you at the hairstylist, color them, have them cut them for you, so you can just cut them your length or blend them really nicely. So it's amazing because with human hair, it just feels different. It doesn't feel like you have fake hair inside, and you can definitely like hairstyle it, put heat on it, and just makes your life easier. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, and thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe, please, and support me. I need all the support in the world. Yeah, have a good day.